Alubhai, the grandfather of Bandali Muhammad Ladha, was a dedicated servant of the Imam in Kuch. He visited Iran to see Imam Hassan Ali Shah. His son Muhammad Ladha migrated to Karachi with his family and became the third Mukhi of Garden Jamatkhana in Karachi in 1905. In those days, the Ismailis from Kuch flocked in Karachi, making the population of garden area over 1500. The existing premises of the Jamatkhana became too small to accommodate the Ismailis, therefore, Mukhi Muhammad Ladha donated a piece of plot adjoining the Jamatkhana, where a new Jamatkhana was built. He was also appointed President of the Supreme Council for Karachi on 1st June 1911 till 30th November 1911. The Imam made a gracious visit of Karachi for 27 days on 10th April 1920. The city was filled with 10,000 Ismailis of different places. The council formed a managing committee of 10 members, with Ghulam Hussain Khalfan as its president to control the whole administration. Bandali, the son of Mukhi Muhammad Ladha, also rendered his services as a member and earned Imam's blessings. The Imam appointed Bandali, the son of Mukhi Muhammad, as Mukhi of the Garden Jamatkhana on Thursday, 6th May 1920 and said, "Today, I appoint Bandali Mukhi Muhammad as Mukhi for the Garden Jamat. I appoint him in place of his late father, and also appoint Mukhi Bandali as a member of the council." Then, the Imam spoke to him. "Mukhi Bandali, your late father rendered excellent services to the Imam and the Jamaat, and you also render excellent services. It may be well recorded that Mahomed Jagran was the first Mukhi of the Garden Jamatkhana between 1843 and 1863. Bhanji Rahimani, 1815 to 1918, was the second Mukhi between 1863 and 1905. He died at the age of 103 years. The third Mukhi was Muhammad Ladha, who served between 1905 and 1912. He was followed by Jivraj Ladha, who served for 7 years, 1912 to 1920. Bandali Muhammad Ladha was the fifth Mukhi, 1920 to 1939, in succession. He took leading parts in the Ismaili School Board and the Ismaili Club and other institutions, and funded them generously for their development. He founded the Young Ismailia Garden Volunteer Courts on 1st April 1919 with the cooperation of Mukhi Merali Khimani. He was also an elected member of Karachi Municipal in 1923 and served for over 16 years. Between 1st September 1924 and 31st August 1925, he served as the President of the Supreme Council. The Khoja Panjibhai Club honored him with a warm reception on 31st October 1924 in view of his outstanding services. Ladakh Panjani, the President, read a welcome speech in appreciation of his devoted services in different fields. In view of his dedicated services, the Imam blessed him with the title of Itmadi. The Imam ordered to place a marble plate in Jamatkhana's hall in his memory, whose unveiling ceremony was performed by Wazir Rahim Basri, 1885 to 1927, on 29th December 1924. Soon after the establishment of Wazir Rahim boarding in 1928, he was appointed as its superintendent. He also founded the Garden Scout Troop in 1930 and worked hard to popularize it in the mass. In recognition of his services to the Scout Troop, he bore the title of the Lion-Hearted Man of Garden Jamaat in 1940. The Court of Honor of the Scout Troop awarded him a thanks badge on 28 February 1940. Mukhi Bandali Muhammad Ladha died on 6 November 1940.